Understanding on the record in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, on the record. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English in professional and informal contexts. So, let's dive in. On the record is a phrase often used in journalism and legal contexts, but it has broader applications as well. It refers to information or statements that are officially recorded and can be publicly reported or quoted. When someone speaks on the record, they are aware that their comments are for public consumption and may be used in reports, articles, or other forms of media. To better understand on the record, let's look at some examples. In a press conference, a politician says, "I am speaking on the record when I say our policy will change." This means the statement is official and can be quoted by journalists. In a meeting, a CEO might state, "This is on the record. Our company profits have increased by 20%. This information is intended to be shared publicly. It's important to contrast on the record with off the record. When someone speaks off the record, they do not want their statements to be publicly reported or attributed to them. It's a way of providing information confidentially. Understanding this distinction is crucial in professional communication. When using on the record, keep these tips in mind. Ensure clarity. Make it clear when you are speaking on the record to avoid misunderstandings. Consider the context. Use this phrase in appropriate situations, especially where official or public statements are involved. Be aware of implications. Remember that, on the record, statements can be quoted and disseminated widely. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of on the record. This phrase is a powerful tool in English communication, particularly in formal and media-related contexts. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use on the record when the situation calls for it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning session.